This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unboxing of the product for you guys. I don't know exactly what I have inside, so let's tear apart this pack. I think I have a camera module, so I take this off from here. Let's see, for iPhone 12, and a big module, so it make look as an iPhone 13, something as this. Oh, I don't know how to put this one. Let's see if I put here as this is not what I asked for. So this is one module for iPhone 13, and this is iPhone 11, iPhone 12 mini. They send me mini, I don't know why. And this one 13 Pro Max. So totally the product you can see here. So cover iPhone 13 Pro Max and iPhone 12 mini. So this one, I don't know why they send me this one, but whatever, you can see guys how they look. It's metal or plastic, something as this, carbon fiber, I feel that. So it's a plastic, something as this, nothing fancy guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.